Well, I have to remove this one, the original mudguard front fender, you can see. Now what I will do is, I have tried with, I thought that if I will add this like this with some 3M tape, it will get removed with the weight, it will come out. So what I have decided is I will drill the holes, at least one, because this will be not for lifetime, or you can say not for, only I will be using for rainy season. So that's what I don't want to drill the hole, but later I came to know that it will come out if I will put directly, or I will put the 3M tape over here, and if I will stick it over here, it will come out due to some weight. So it's better I decided to drill only one single hole, and then the later part I will put some 3M tape. Instead of 3 holes, I will just add only one hole. Okay. So at home I have this drilling. First I will just add one hole over here. Just keep some cardboard or wood over here, so that if you will I will do the marking. Okay, so now I have done with the whole drilling, and this is how it looks. I have done some 3M tape, because why I did is I have just added one hole only. Here they have asked 3 holes, but I don't want to put 3 holes over here overall, and even over here I have only added 1 hole. So in future if I want to remove it, I can just remove 1 hole itself. Okay, so this is how I will just add it, and I will put the hole. So this is how it will look. I have just put it. I will remove the bolt again, and I will remove the 3M tape, and then I will fix it. I'm just showing you how it will look. Okay guys, now I have removed this 3M tape. Now I will put in directly. I have to fix one.